How to fix blurry TikTok uploads. Let's get started. First, update your TikTok app. So launch Play Store or App Store. Search for the app TikTok. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now go ahead and upload a video. Click on the plus option, shoot the video or select any of the video from your gallery and try to upload it. Now from here you can make changes to your video, and once you do that, click on next. Now click on the option more options. Here you're gonna find different option. Head over to the option allow high quality uploads. Enable for that option. Then head back, click on the option everyone can view this post. Set it to only me and now post it. Once you have posted the video for only me, you will need to change the privacy settings for the video. So launch the video, click on three dots, head towards the option privacy settings and set it to everyone. With this, the video will be uploaded in high quality. So this is how you can fix blurry TikTok upload. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.